Okay, so we posted this video on how to make money online and asked for your suggestion whether I should be posting videos about free online money. Okay, so with your comment or per your comment, this is what I have decided to do. And as you can see, these are some of the comments that you can see on the screen. And this said they will run away with our money. We will surely know them, bro. Yes, you continue with your good work and forget about that. Okay, so this comment really got me, and I think another one was here telling us something very important. He was saying that please stay away from this. Please focus on your tech. People will say you lie to them and sabotage your hard work. So with these two comments, when I combine them together, also I got a comment from Tech in P saying that I should forget about these two, which means that it's okay for me to stay away from the online money. So if you are thinking of making money online, just check a different channel and then you subscribe to that channel and wait for online money. And one thing about online money is that sometimes the site that the person will give you is for promotion. Okay, the one who created the website will just chat you and then you make a video of it, then the person will pay you for that. So sometimes these things are not legit. This is what, per my research, this is what I also got to know. So staying away from it will be the best. And then I think for my subscribers, I really salute you all and thank you for always giving your suggestions and also helping me out with some one or two things. So no video about how to make money online will pop up here. The only thing that may come up may be either affiliated programs. That one they are legit, or maybe something that I personally have accepted that this is truly working, and then I'll post videos about it. And I'll be posting a video about a website that will really pay you for watching videos, just like YouTube. So they pay you for watching videos and also they pay you for posting videos there. You see that for YouTube, when you watch videos on YouTube, they don't pay you, but for that site, when you watch videos there, they will pay you for watching videos. And when you post your videos too, just like YouTube, you post, they pay you. That's the same thing that the site will also be doing. But there's a problem with the site. Not the problem, but the pay that they give you for watching the videos. Let's say a 10 minutes video compared to a 2 minutes video, they pay the same price, of which I have made a request so that they can make some changes and then increase the payment. So if you watch for 2 minutes, the money that you get should be different from watching a video of 10 minutes. And I think it's something that I proposed to them. So I hope that they will make some changes with that one. And I'll be bringing the video so that you can just register and then just try to watch videos there, and then you just try to earn money from there. And I'll see you again. So no video on how to make money online will be popping up here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always commenting, and I'll see you again. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here for more videos from here. Bye for now.